Most of us believe that if something cannot be proven, it cannot be true. But what if the deepest truths in life are the ones you can never prove? Today's story is about a simple question. A question so small, yet so powerful, it has puzzled minds for over 2,000 years. And by the end of it, you may begin to see the world very differently.
Long ago, in ancient China, a Taoist philosopher named Zhuangzi walked beside a quiet river with his friend Hui Shi. The water flowed gently beneath an old bridge. The world was calm. As they stood there, watching the current, small fish swam freely in the clear water, moving without effort, without worry. Zhuangzi smiled, and then he said something simple. "Look at those fish, how happy they are." Hui Shi turned to him immediately. "You are not a fish," he said. "How do you know they are happy?" It was a logical question, a reasonable one. After all, how can you know the feelings of something you are not? Zhuangzi looked at him, calm as ever. Instead of answering directly, Zhuangzi asked, "You are not me, so how do you know that I do not know?" Hui Shi paused. The question turned everything around. Hui Shi replied quickly, "I know you are not a fish. And since you are not a fish, you cannot know their happiness. That is obvious." Zhuangzi nodded slightly, then said, "And you are not me, so how do you know what I can or cannot understand?" For a moment, silence. Only the sound of the river remained. Zhuangzi then pointed gently toward the water. "You asked me how I know the joy of fish," he said. "I know it from standing here beside this river." Hui Shi frowned. The answer made no sense, at least not in the way he expected. But Zhuangzi was not speaking in logic. He was speaking in experience. The fish continued swimming. They did not care about arguments. They did not need to prove their joy. They simply moved, freely, naturally, effortlessly. Zhuangzi watched them, not with analysis, but with presence. In that moment, he was not separate from what he observed. He was part of it. Most people live like Hui Shi. We want proof, we want certainty, we want everything to make sense. But in doing so, we miss something important. Not everything in life can be understood through thinking. Some things can only be understood by being. Today, we question everything. We overthink. We analyze. We doubt our own feelings because they cannot be explained. But think about this. Have you ever felt peace without knowing why? Have you ever felt something was right without proof? That is the same knowing Zhuangzi spoke of, a knowing beyond words. Zhuangzi was not trying to prove the fish were happy. He was showing something deeper, that life is not always meant to be solved. Sometimes it is meant to be experienced. As the sun began to set, the two men stood in silence. The river flowed. The fish swam. Nothing had changed, yet everything had. So let me ask you, do you only trust what you can prove, or are you open to what you can feel? Comment below. And if this story made you think differently, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until the next story, stay still, stay aware, and learn to see beyond what can be explained.